Sabihin mo sa mga televiewers natin, bakit masama ang vote buying?
Well, I think kung
Comelec, in conjunction with Philippine National Police personnel, has successfully apprehended and caught in the act a group involved in an alleged distribution of money, an act closely associated with both.
Hello? Attorney? Haven't you got the news? The other party were already getting more and more votes. What's happening?
I know it's devastating to hear, Miss Manalo. Then, let us just set a meeting.
What? What do you mean there is less chance of winning? I paid a lot of money to each cities just for us to win.
Josefina, just calm down, okay? Just hurry up and tell us what other options we have, attorney.
And since your names have already failed to make an impact, and with the stains on your record, it's no surprise that vote buying has become your desperate resort.
Then so be it.
If we can't win, no one will.
Di sana pinag-isipan muna namin ni Lisa ang plano namin bilang magkasintahan. Di sana aabot sa ganito na walang pera. Hello? Sino po ito?
Hello, am I speaking to Rinaldo Bayani Cruz?
Yes, ako po ito.
Great news, sir. Pinapatawag po kayo sa office ni Senator Josephine Manalo.
Yes, madam. Pupunta po ako. Yes, magkakatrabaho na ako.
Ano ba, Jojo? Kanina pa ko tawag sa'yo. Di mo ba ako narinig? Iyak na nang iyak yung anak natin, oh.
Lisa, magkakatrabaho na ako.
Sus, alam ko na yan. Uwi ka naman mamaya malungkot.
Mahal naman. Huwag kang ganyan. Ayaw mo ba nun? Magkakaroon tayo ng magandang kinabukasan ni Junior.
Bahala ka nga dyan.
Sige na, mahal. Baka malate ako umuwi mamaya, ah. Magpahinga ka na, please. I'll come home. I love you. Good evening, Senator Josefina. I'm Rinaldo.
Jojo, right?
Yes, madam.
So, do you want a job, Jojo?
Kung makita niyo naman po sa resume ko, tatay po ako. And nahihirapan po ako mag-provide sa pamilya ko.
That's so sad to hear, Jojo. But, however, the job I'm offering is only required small amount of your time.
Anong klaseng trabaho po yan?
The job that I'm offering is that I'm going to give you envelopes and you're going to distribute it to each households.
Yes, madam. Kayang-kaya ko po yan.
Very good, Jojo. Yan ang gusto ko sa inyo eh. Mabilis kayong sumunod. I expect results after that. Get it?
Level up!
elections,
Philippines aims to achieve
voting is under.
Hindi pala baha ang magpapalubog sa ating bayan. Tubig, kasakiman.
Jojo? Ikaw ba yan?
Elisa, tulungan mo ako. Elisa, gising.
Jojo!
Okay ka lang?
Kala ko patay ka na.
Patay? Alam mo, pag nakuha ko na yung pera, magiging masaya na tayo.
Duduhin mo maayos ang trabaho na pinapasok mo, ha? Kami ng asawa ko ay lubos na nagpapasalamat para sa mga boto at tiwalang nakuha namin sa mga Pilipino. With this position, we vow to give a real change for the betterment of every Filipino. Mabuhay ang lahing Pilipino.
Yes, nakuha ko na rin. Wag po, alam ko po yung kasalanan ko.
Ambush killing of a party list nominee raises the number of election-related deaths in the Philippine midterm polls. The violence has taken place against...
Eliza! Eliza!
Ano po yun?
Si Jojo patay na.
Attorney, tulungan niyo po kung maghanap ng hustisya para sa aking asawa. Nagmamakaawa po ako.
Yes, ma'am. Rest assured that we are doing everything we can to help you. However, at this point, we must wait for the court's ruling.
My apologies, ma'am, but we'll have to leave now.
I'm Attorney Mercedes, the lawyer of Senator Spina and Congressman Fernando Manago.
Ano yung pake, attorney, kapagkita ka sa akin?
To be honest, kahit isa akong attorney, may sense pa rin ako ng moralidad. But I was blinded. Blinded by their money. Oh, the people's money. And because of that, I became part of their hiding their secrets.
Ano yung ibig sabihin, attorney?
Watch this video, and maybe you'll understand.
No problem with that.
Schaffer 2002 explains that vote buying can take several forms. He identified 3 types of compliance: instrumental, normative, and coercive. Instrumental compliance happens when voters change their behavior in exchange for a reward offered.
The impact of vote buying on elections is severe. It distorts the voter's choice by encouraging citizens to vote based on material rewards rather than policy beliefs. It also reduces accountability, as politicians who buy votes may feel no obligation to serve the public once elected. Finally, coercive compliance involves threats or penalties for voters who fail to support the buyer's candidate. Moreover, vote buying contributes to corruption and weakens political accountability. A study by Carson, published in 2022, finds that vote buying correlates with higher levels of political corruption. It has become embedded in the political landscape despite laws intended to penalize such practices.
What's your idea of this? Payag ka ba sa idea ko, Miss Bruce?
What was your idea again, attorney?
First, we will have flyers. Pangalawa, pwedeng makatulong ang social media. Pangatlo, sasamahan natin ng mga Filipino kapag magpaprotestan sila.
Kung hindi mo sana tinanggap yung alok, buhay ka pa sana.